How to remove following list visibility on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now one of the best ways to remove the following list visibility on Instagram is to make your account private. So simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and simply scroll down and select on the option of privacy over here. Tap on account privacy, then simply toggle on the option of a private account. So you can tap on switch to private, then tap on OK, and as you do that, you will be able to switch your account to private and other will not be able to see your followers list or following list, and this will remove following list visibility on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.